At the back of washing machine, there are two hoses. One is the inlet hose and the other is the waste hose. First, unplug the power plug and then move the washing machine so that you could access the hoses at the back. This is my inlet hose that is connected to the inlet water valve. My water valve is located a bit away from the sink, but in your case, your valve might be underneath the sink. So close the valve by turning the handle. Depending on the valve type, you might have to use a pliers or a screwdriver, or you could simply turn it using your hand. In my case, I got to use the pliers because it has become very tight. To turn off the valve, the position of the handle needs to be perpendicular to the direction of the flow. In order to unscrew the hose, it's better to wear a high grip glove and then turn it anti-clockwise direction. Once it is loose, you can easily unscrew it. Make sure you got a bucket nearby so that you could easily drain any leftover water inside the hose. And for extra safety, I would screw on a 22mm end cap onto this valve to prevent any possible leakages. My waste hose is connected underneath the sink and it is much easier to remove this hose. You should just pull it like this by turning it a bit to the left and right and it comes out easily. Once again, make sure you got a bucket nearby to drain any leftover water. Because the waste pipe doesn't have a valve, and now that we have removed the waste hose, this place is left open. And now if you would open your water above, it could start leaking from here. Now completely remove both the hoses and clip it behind the washing machine and make sure the hoses head are pointing upwards.